Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove gum from hair. First, grab an ice cube and hold it against the gum for a few minutes until it becomes firm and brittle. This makes it much easier to handle. Once the gum is hard, you can carefully try to break off larger chunks with your fingers. Remember to be gentle and avoid pulling your hair, as this can cause more tangles and spread the gum. Next, reach for something oily like peanut butter, olive oil, or even mayonnaise. Apply a good amount directly onto the gum and the surrounding hair. The oils help to dissolve the gum's sticky properties. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, then use a fine tooth comb to carefully work the gum downwards and out of your hair. This method is very effective. If oil isn't doing the trick, consider rubbing alcohol. Dab a small amount onto a cotton ball and gently rub it over the gum. The alcohol helps to break down the gum's structure. Another great alternative is white vinegar. Simply soak the affected hair in it for a few minutes. After removing the gum, wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo to get rid of any remaining product or stickiness. After successfully removing the gum, it's crucial to wash your hair thoroughly with shampoo and conditioner. This ensures all the product and any lingering stickiness are completely gone, leaving your hair clean and fresh. To prevent future gum mishaps, teach children to chew gum carefully and avoid playing with it near their hair. Also, for those interested in improving their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.